Hi everyone, it's me Sanchari and welcome back to my channel Simply Sanchari. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to film a get ready with me for summer using minimal makeup product, that too all affordable. Now because I have a dry and sweaty skin, I try to use very less makeup product because if I overlayer it starts to melt, and I have kept ready everything in this tray, and if you guys are interested then please stay tuned till the end of this video. Alright, so I've nicely done my CTM routine and now is the time to prime the skin. For that I'm going to use my Mars Glow Oak Log Gripping Primer, which is a tacky base primer that is going to prolong the wear of my makeup. It is my absolute favorite. Also it provides with lot of hydration, moisturization as well as nourishment because it has aqua, glycerin, vitamin A and E. So before going with the base, I am color correcting the darkness, discoloration, anything that is there on my skin. Now if you have a very clear skin, you can skip on this step just because I have some discoloration around my mouth area. So for me color correction is a must because if I don't do that, it makes me look very ashy just on that area. Also I color corrected the darkness under my eyes and now it is far better. So by the time the concealer is resting on my skin for some time, I will start with my brows, brushing the brow hair first, and then I am going to carve out, and again I'm going to brush it out to see how much amount I will need to cover the sparse area. That is how I like to do my eyebrows on day-to-day basis, and this is the ideal technique that I use and it works for me very well. And next, to set the brow hairs in place, I'm going to use my Inside Cosmetics Brow Tattoo in the shade brown. A very good eyebrow gel under budget, and it helps a lot to keep my brow hairs in place without giving me that tight, crusty, flaky kind of feeling. The brush is also really good now that I have been using it for really long time. So I have learned the technique to use this brush applicator. It's tiny, it's precise and gets the job done very easily. So for my base, I'm going to use the Mars BB cream in the shade tan if I'm not wrong. And this is a very sheer to light coverage BB cream, perfect for your everyday wear. And just because it has a sheer coverage, that is the reason I went with some color correction now. And also you need a little bit of more quantity. You can easily blend it out with your fingers and with your brush, even with your sponge, but because your sponge is going to soak up a lot of product, so I would always suggest to use your brush or your finger. For on the go days, like when you are in rush, I think finger is the best tool. It blends nicely, it feels like moisturizer, and it has that BB cream kind of fragrance, which is really very nostalgic because the old makeup products, my mom's makeup product, had this kind of fragrance, and it nicely meshes into the skin and gives me a very youthful, radiant look. Next, I sprayed some Revolution Super Fake Super Hole misting spray and just pressing the product back to my skin to make it more long lasting, so that even if I sweat, it is not going to melt down on me. And for the concealer, I'm going to use my Swiss Beauty Select High on Cover liquid concealer in the shade 4.5 if I'm not wrong. I will give you the shade details and product details in the description box so that you can have a fair look. So just because my makeup sponge already had the setting spray, so I'm going to take that side and blend out the concealer in place so that it doesn't move around a lot, and also once I go out it does not melt on me. It is going to ensure that all the product on my face is intact. As I said that I have a sweaty skin, so I had to do a lot if I am wearing a makeup outside. Next, I'm going to take a matte liquid lipstick. I'll just take some amount on the back of my hand, and with my brush I will take it and just apply it to my cheeks. This will ensure that the makeup or the blush is really very long lasting, because it is a matte liquid lipstick. Definitely it is going to be there in place, it is not going to move around a lot, and also it won't fade around. This is a beautiful plum tone liquid lipstick from Inside Cosmetics. It is their creme matte lipstick and I absolutely love this shade. I'll just go over with my sponge to blend it out ever so slightly, and this will also give me very natural blush look. Taking my She Glam bronzer in the shade Terracotta, and I will lightly bronze up the skin. It's also going to bring back the warmth to my face that I have lost. And now I'm going to set everything with a powder. This is from Rimmel. It is the translucent loose powder. And I'm going to set it ever so slightly. Then I'll take the same liquid lipstick from Inside Cosmetics, and with the help of my finger I will use as my eyeshadow. I am trying to go with a monochromatic look, and this, because it's matte, it is also going to be really very long lasting. I hope it doesn't crease on me, though I have nicely primed my eyelids. So I will just build up the eyeshadow or the lipstick little by little, as long as I am happy with the intensity. And then I'm going to use my Revolution Sleek Fleek liquid eyeliner. This is their pen eyeliner, which I absolutely love, and I am going to do a very thin eyeliner because I have to get it into the mirror. Whenever I do my eyeliner, I have to keep my breath on hold, so I cannot talk a lot. Taking some highlighter from the Mars Cheek palette, and this is the only highlighter I use on my face. You can just make it look from natural to a very blinding kind of look. I like to go with a very natural look, and this does not even exaggerate any of my texture, any dry patches, nothing with this gets accentuated. After I curled my lashes, I'm going to use a coat of mascara. You can use any mascara that you like. I love my Essence I Heart Stage mascara. I always love to keep a backup of this because once this gets out of stock, it's really very difficult to get my hands on this. One of my holy grail mascara, you guys, gives me very natural, fluttery, wispy lashes. Now my lower lash line looks a bit naked, so I'm going to take the bronzer shade from the Mars Cheek palette and going to run it out ever so slightly on my lower lash line. Taking the same lipstick on the back of my hand, and with my finger I'll take some amount and just apply it as my lip stain. And next, to finish everything, I'm going to use my Mars Candylicious lip gloss in the shade Jelly Bean. I'm just going to add it to the center of my lips. Just see the magic. Alrighty, so this completes my summer makeup look using very minimal makeup product, that too under budget. Everything is under rupees 500 except for this makeup fixer, which retails for 1050 if I'm not wrong, but you can get this at much lesser price when on discount. And I'm loving this lipstick as my blush. I'm loving this glossy lips. It is making my lips feels absolutely juicy, giving me a glass like shine. And in summer I like to go with these kind of lips, you guys. I like to use a very less amount of lipstick, and then I touch up with a lip gloss that is going to give me a very hydrated lips throughout. If you like this get ready with me, then please don't forget to comment down your thoughts on this entire makeup look.